Have you ever stopped and asked yourself, who is really in control of my life? Is it me or is it my mind? Every dream you have, every goal you want, every success you chase, it all begins in one place, your mind. But here's the truth. If you don't learn to control your mind will control you. Your mind is the most powerful tool you will ever own. It can create miracles or it can create misery. It can build your future or it can destroy your potential. Think about it. Every invention, every great achievement in history started as nothing more than a thought. But at the same time, every failure, every regret, every broken dream also started with a thought. Your thoughts shape your feelings shape your actions, and your actions shape your life. That's why if you want to change your life, you must first master your mind. Most people don't fail because the world is against them. They fail because their mind whispers things like, you're not good enough, you're too late, you'll never make it. This voice inside, the voice of doubt, fear, and negativity, is the greatest enemy you will ever face. But here's the secret. That enemy lives inside your mind, and you have the power to silence it. So how do we take control? How do we stop being prisoners of our thoughts? There are three powerful steps. Step one, awareness. Become aware of your thoughts. Every time a negative thought enters, catch it. Don't let it control you. Ask yourself, is this thought helping me or hurting me? Step two, replace. You can't simply erase negative thoughts, but you can replace them. Turn I can't do this into I am learning how to do this. Turn this is impossible into this is a challenge and I can grow through it. Step three, repetition. Your mind believes what you tell it most often. Feed it daily with powerful, positive, and disciplined thoughts. Repeat them until your mind accepts them as truth. Controlling your mind isn't easy. It's like training a wild horse. It will fight back. It will resist. But with patience, consistency, and discipline, you will become the master. Remember this. Your mind is a servant, not a master. It must work for you, not against you. When you wake up and your mind says, stay in bed, you're too tired, you control your mind by saying, no, I decide, I rise, I move forward when you face failure, and your mind says, see, I told you you're not good enough. You control your mind by saying, this failure is not the end. It is the beginning of my growth. When fear tries to paralyze you, whispering, don't try, you'll embarrass yourself. You control your mind by saying, I would rather fail 1,000 times than live with regret. This is the difference between those who give up and those who rise to greatness. The day you take full control of your mind, your life will never be the same. You will stop living as a victim of fear, doubt, and excuses. You will start living as the creator of your destiny, because when you master your mind, you master your emotions. When you master your emotions, you master your actions. And when you master your actions, you master your life. Your future self is waiting for you, but you can only meet them by controlling your mind today. So repeat this to yourself. I must control my mind if I want to change my life. Not tomorrow, not someday. Today, control your thoughts, control your focus, control your energy, and watch how your life transforms before your eyes. What thought has been holding you back the most? And how will you control it starting today? Because remember, this journey is not just mine, it's ours. And together we rise. If you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the like button. Also, let me know your thoughts about what I just shared in the comments.